Alright, so I'm going to paint now the national monument, which is the Sriti Shodha of Bangladesh. It has a special design types and very nice one. Alright, so going to paint the whole drawing in few steps. Okay. Alright, now let's give it a shape with little color. So we're going to use black color in this case, step by step. Okay. Other colors also going to match. Let's try the dark blue. Okay, so from the top we're going to paint a line at the bottom. You can see the paint. Okay, mm-hmm. It's coming down to the down positions. Okay, then another details you can see here coming from the top. Okay, and the other one you can see just running to the side. Another one here. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to put some, the greeneries at the bottom. We're using the light green color in this case. So let's put the light green color at the bottom. So lots of greeneries you can see at the bottom. All right. So the modifications is always going on because sometimes the color just fade away and you have to readjust. Just I'm putting the moon on the top, drawing like a circle, full circle, and going to put few stars. Just put like some dots here to show the stars in the sky. All right. Just putting some white strokes in the middle to emphasize the drawing. Also this part. This monument is a very special design and one of the best design in the world. Okay, just putting other strokes from the middle. Okay, so the white part is done. Now we're going to put few white strokes for the trees here. Trees are nicely visible. Okay, awesome. So other three lines just I'm putting in a regular strokes just to show the density of the trees. All right, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.